Hey friends, if you're looking to do a negotiation training or workshop for your team or for your company, I've got a special offer for you. Between now and October 31st, when my new book, Negotiation Made Simple, is released, if you will go and bulk buy 500 copies of this book, I will come and deliver a one-day negotiation workshop for your team for absolutely free. If you will buy 200 copies of this book between now and October 31st, I will do a virtual keynote presentation for your team or for your company for absolutely no charge. This offer is something that I want to make available to you between now and October 31st, so you have to act fast, but it is a way to save thousands of dollars in terms of providing your people with strategic and sophisticated negotiation skills that will help them be more successful in 2024. To take advantage of this, it's real simple. Just email admin@lowrygroup.net. That's admin@lowrygroup.net. And someone from my team will reach out to you to get that training or to get that keynote scheduled in 2024.